Hey everybody, I got some more sets of the Hidden Side Wave of Summer 2020. I got the Prison, because a lot of you guys are asking for it, so I picked it up to give you the review and add it to my collection. I got the Supernatural raced car. And this is the last one that I need that has a Shadow Walker. So now I have all the Shadow Walkers from Hidden Side. And I got the Submarine. So these are the last sets of Hidden Side that I got. And if you want to see the reviews, please subscribe, because those are coming on the internet next week or this month with different other reviews. So subscribe and give a like and a comment if you feel to. So I see you all later. Bye.